All right, today I'm going to show you how I wash clothes, my white clothes, in a Whirlpool front-loading washing machine. Right here I have my Whirlpool front-loading washing machine, right? And I have the door propped open, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up all the way, and then I'm going to add a laundry pod to the wash. I'm going to add this to the drum first, okay? So I'm going to add it to the drum. All right, that's set. And then I'm going to add some fabric softener, okay? I add fabric softener in the section that says fabric softener. So I'm going to go right here, grab some fabric softener, come up here, and I'm just going to pour it into the compartment till it says max. You see there's a max reading, max line right there. Perfect. All right, so that's the softener. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shut this. All right, shut that. And so that's all set. The laundry pod is in there. The fabric softener's inside of the compartment. We're all set with the detergents. All right, so now it's time to add the clothes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some clothes to it. I have towels in here. I have socks. I have white dress shirts. I'm just going to go ahead and add all of this to the mix. All right, and add that in there. So that's all in there. Make sure all of the clothes are inside of the drum and not hanging over, because I don't want it to get snagged by the door. So once it's in there, I'm going to go ahead and shut the door. All right, shut the door. And then I'm going to come over here and then I'm going to select my wash. All right, I'm just going to turn it on. And I'm going to go to normal because I want this to be a normal wash. All right, and then I'm going to come over here and then I'm going to select the temperature. I'm going to do actually hot for this. So there's some pretty clothes that have oil on them, so I'm going to use hot. The spin speed, I'm going to go with fast. The soil level, I'm just going to use normal. And then the extra rinse, I'm going to keep that on to make sure the clothes are thoroughly rinsed. And once that's all done, I'm just going to come over here to the start button and press start. And it should be done in 1 hour. All right, that's how you wash white clothes in a front-loading Whirlpool washing machine. Let me know if you have any questions.